Certainly, in literary analysis, intrinsic and extrinsic elements refer to different aspects of the work. One, intrinsic element. These are elements inherent within the next itself, including plot, the sequences of events that make up the story, character, the individual who inhabit the story and their characteristic, setting, the time and place in which the story occurs, and conflict, the central problem or issue that drives the plot. Time, the underlying message or the central idea of the story. Point of view, the perspective from which the story is told. Into the Kill Mockingbird by Heather Lee. Intrinsic elements include the character development of Scott, Atticus Finch's role and father and lawyer, the setting of the Alabama, the trial of the Tom Robinson, and the exploration of the time like radial, ingest, and the moral growth. Extrinsic element. These are the elements outside of the text that can influence its interpretation or understanding. Author biography. Detail about the author life and experience that might inform the writing. Historical context, the time period and societal issue that influence the author and the story. Cultural context, value, beliefs, and custom relevant to the setting or time period defined in the work. Literary criticism, analysis, and interpretation of the work by scholar and critic. And a reader response. How the individual reader interpret and relate to text based on their our experience and perspective. For a Kill a Mockingbird, extrinsic element called include Harvardly our experience growing up in the South, sharing the historical background of the civil rights movement and critical interpretation that discuss the novel impact on the literature and society. Analyze both intrinsic and extrinsic elements have provide a comprehensive understanding of the novel and the significant. Currently, let's analyze 1984 by George Orwell in terms of the intrinsic and extrinsic element. Intrinsic element plot. The novel followed the life of Winston Smith, a low-ranking member of the totalitarian regime called the Party in the dystopian, a future where individuality and independent tasks are sovereign, and the character beside Winston Smith, Arthur K. character include Julia, O'Brien, and the Big Drama. Setting the novel in set Air Steve I, formerly Great Britain, and in the society dominated by surveillance, propaganda, and the control. Conflict, the central conflict revolves around Winston rebellion against the offensive regime and his struggle to maintain his own humanity and individuality. Major times include totalism, surveillance, manipulation of truth, uh, the lost individuality, and the power of language. Style, Orwell use of language symbols like image of the Big Brother and the creation of the bleak opposite atmosphere are intrinsic elements that contribute to novel impact. Third, extrinsic element, autobiography, George Orwell, with name of Eric Arthur Blair, was deeply influenced by his experience in the Spanish Civil War and his obsession of totalitarian regimes during his lifetime. The historian 1984 has was written at the night time when Orwell was concerned about the rise of totalism and the aftermath of the war too. Political and social context. The novel reflects Orwell critiques of the totalism, particularly the Uni-Soviet Union understanding and the erosion civil liberty in the name of security. Literary criticism, sign is publication 1984, has been widely analyzed for its political insight, its definition of surveillance and control, and his influence on dystopian literature. Reader response. Different reader may interpret the novel differently based on their own political beliefs and views on society. By explaining both the intrinsic element, the narrative structure, character, time, and style within the novel itself, and extrinsic element, the autobiography, historical, and context critical interpretation and societal. In fact, we can get a deeper understanding of the 1984 and its significance as the of work, literature, and social commentary. It seems like there might be confusion in your question. To Kill Mockingbird is written by Harper Lee, not R. Scott. However, if you mean The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, let's analyze in terms of its intrinsic and extrinsic element. Intrinsic element, plot. The novel follows Jay Gatsby, a wealthy and mysterious man, and his obsession with Daisy Buchanan, a married woman from his past, is expert times of the love, wealth, and the American dream. And the character beside Gatsby and Daisy Kay character include Nick Carraway, the narrator, Tom Buchanan, and Jordan Baker. Setting the novel in set in the family in Long Island, New York during Jazz Age. Conflict the central revolves around Gatsby's foresight of Daisy and his attempt to reframe himself to win her back, as well the clash between old money and new money. Times major include the corruption of the American dream, the emptiness of wealth, social class, and privilege, and the phases of the time. Style. Fitzgerald lyrical prose use of the symbolism as the green light and the eyes of the Dr. T.J. Claiborne, and the exploration of the rolling 20s culture are intrinsic elements that contribute to the novel depth. Second, extrinsic element, author biography. F. Scott Fitzgerald was an informant figure of the Jazz Age, and his personal life including his relationship, his personal life, and struggle with alcohol-inspired writing, and his wife Zelda. And historical context, The Great Gatsby reflects the social change and exchange of the including prohibition and the stock market boom and the disillusionment that follow World War One, and the literary criticism and the novel has been analyzed is the critique of American society, is portrayal of the American dream, and his exploration of the class dynamics and identity 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 culture context. The novel definition of lavish party materials and moral decor restore with the cultural milieu of the Jazz Age, and the reader respond. Different reader may interpret the novel differently based on their own perspective on well-love and version of happiness. Understanding both the intrinsic element, the narrative structure, character, times, and style within the novel itself, and the strictly extrinsic element, the author biography, historical context, critical interpretation, and the societal impact helps in understanding the Great Gatsby and the significant work of American literature. It seems like you might be combining elements from different titles. To Kill a Mockingbird is by Harper Lee. Moby Dick is by Herman Manfile, and there no word title Moby Dick. However, I will provide an analysis for Moby Dick by Herman Melville. Intrinsic element plot. Moby Dick tells the story of Ismail, a sailor who joined Captain Ahab whaling expedition aboard the Victory. Ahab is obsessed with seeking revenge against Moby Dick, the white whale, the main him, and the character behind Ismail and Captain Ahad. Key characters include Queen Cook, Starbuck, and other crew members of the Victory. And the setting, the novel is set primarily at sea in various locations across the globe as the Victory unravels. The central conflict revolves around Ahab momaniacal quest, quest for vengeance against Moby Dick, which leads tragedy for the crew. Major It seems like you might be combining elements from different titles. To Kill a Mockingbird is by Harper Lee. Moby Dick is by Herman Melville, and there are no word title Moby Dick. However, I will provide an analysis from Moby Dick by Herman Melville. Intrinsic element. Plot. Moby Dick tells the story of Ismail, a sailor who joins Captain Ahab whaling expedition aboard the Victory. Ahab is obsessed with seeking revenge against Moby Dick and white whale that might meet him. Character beside Ismail and Captain Ahad. Key characters include Gwen's and the other crew member of the Victory. The setting, the novel is set primarily at sea in various locations across the globe as the Victory unravels. The central conflict revolves around a monomaniacal quest for vengeance against Moby Dick, which leads to tragedy for the crew. and major themes include obsession, faith, and nature of evil, the limit of human knowledge, and the relationship between humanity and the natural world. And Melville Ford's style includes rich description, philosophical discretion, and a mix of narrative techniques such as person narration and dramatic scan, extrinsic element. Author biography. Herman Melville drew upon his experience as a sailor in the whaling industry and his encounter with different culture and landscape historical context. Moby Dick, published in the reflect the maritime culture of the 19th century as well as broader times of industrialism, Manifest Destiny, and American expansionist literary criticism. The novel has been analyzed for the complex symbols, allegorical element, and his exploration of times relevant to Melville time and beyond. Culture culture context, Moby Dick and has been interpreted as a critique of American society, exploring issue of race, class, and the impact of the industrialization on the environment, and the reader response. Different readers may interpret the novel differently based on our literary, philosophical, and culture perspective by considering both in the intrinsic element. In Jane Austen novel Pride and Prejudice, we can identify both intrinsic and extrinsic element. One intrinsic element, plot, the storyline involving the relationship, misunderstanding, and personal growth of the character like Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy. Character, their personalities, motivation, and developments throughout the novel. Themes such as love, marriage, social class, and morality explored through the character and their interaction. And the style, Austen writing style with a use of irony and satire to critique social norms. Extrinsic element, historical context, the social norms, custom, and expansion of early 19th century England influencing the character, the decisions, and action. Author biography, Jane Austen own experience and views subtly woven into the narrative. Literary influence how Austen writing style and times we influenced by the contribute to the literary trend of her time. These elements work together to create by the rich tapestry of Pride and Prejudice, making a classic example of the 19th century English literature.